So should I create one what? Gmail ID. Okay, two Gmail IDs I should create. So we are creating those Gmail IDs for what purpose? To have a GitHub account. Okay. So is it GitHub account compulsory or optional as a programmer? It's a compulsory. Like how we're having WhatsApp for communication, Facebook we are having, Instagram we are having, or Snapchat or Twitter for communication. Similarly, a programmer have to showcase his skills or programs or anything. Or in the company also, suppose we are working in a company, data is coming, where from it will come. So it can't be coming from a pen drive or in the system will be available, or I can't do to Gmail account and download the data also or any website. So all the data will be coming into the GitHub. Okay, so GitHub is the most important thing for a software person. So here we're just going to see that just what basics there, at least how to create an account, how can we store our things over GitHub. Okay, so how they'll verify? Suppose github.com, they'll type your name now. Suppose example, I just type the HDPYT. Okay, just HDPYT is what my username. So this came there. Example, if I type here Rakesh, any name, or Raj. So this is a person Raj, he's having certain programs over here. Okay. At least see here how much green is there here. Means that many days he has been what keeping on adding his programs there. Okay. But suppose example, if I open my account, old account. So if you scroll down, is green available there over here? No. If you're daily uploading a program, a file only, then it will be what green there. If you're not uploading daily, or suppose you have not done for a particular day, it will be a blank line, blank, empty, like what you can say black. Okay. So now, first of all, we'll see how to create an account first on the github.com. Okay. So github.com, you have to click on what? Sign up. So we'll ask you to enter your what? Email ID. Email ID, anyone's? Chandu, RED. Chandu, RED. RED. 99. 99. Correct? @gmail.com. Okay. Click on continue. Now I'll ask for creating a password. Okay. So I'll just create. Okay. That asking for what username. So username you give properly. Okay. So I'll give Chandu Reddy. Huh? Yes. Okay. Maybe available or not available. Chandu Reddy 99, suppose. Okay. Now it is coming. So Chandu Reddy 999. And this username you cannot modify. Okay, you cannot modify username and what password. So these things too, you have to make a note of it. Okay. So click on now what? Continue. So it's asking you to do you want to receive any kind of mails, promotion mails, all those mails. So type here what? No. N means what? No. Continue. Now click on what? Start puzzle. Select what is spiral galaxy. This one. One more is it? This one. One more. Okay. Now click on what? The create account. So check your username, everything is fine, correct or not. Click on create account. So now one verification mail will come over is Gmail account. Check one Gmail account. What is? Okay, just wait for a minute. Chand is checking. Chand. Nine zero seven 38 651. Okay, this all things you can do later. Now click on what there? Skip personalization. Okay, so this is the interface of what? GitHub. Okay, and if you don't know GitHub means, see, if you don't know, don't also company will make you understand. Okay, it's not like if you know, it will be very good for you. Okay, you don't need to depend on other person. Okay, but just we are going to see now how are we going to keep our programs and everything there, because normally in the company it will be an enterprise one. Okay, which is is a free one. We're using the free ones. Okay, we'll be having the enterprise one also. Purchasing will be there. Okay, pricing you see here, pricing. Okay, so the enterprise one is the company ones which will be using there. Any MNC companies will be using the enterprise one. Startup companies will be using the teams one. The now which you're using is the free ones. Okay, so in the free ones you can only keep up to what? How much size will be mentioned here? Up to what? 500 MB. Here up to normal startup company 2 GB. But this will not be the minimum. Okay, 50 GB up to there, but it will be having more again there. If you want more, we can purchase more also. Okay, so now come back to the normal ones. Okay, so in his account, any programs are there now? Nothing is there. In his account, nothing is there now. So yesterday we have done the data types last 2 days. So now I'll click on what? Create repository. Okay, now just see the screen there. Create repository. Give the repository name properly. Okay, so give the name properly. Example, data types. What I'm giving the repository name? Data types. Here, as a programmer, you don't know anything now. So give that description there. Okay, important. So the person who is opening your account, like opening the program, will understand what is the thing mentioned over there. So right here, what is data types in Python? Types in Python. Optional, but make it right. Okay, there. Then you have to make sure you're clicking this add a README file. Add a README file. Then click on create repository. Okay. Now click on what you know. You're getting the option add file. Upload files. Choose your files. So folder is what? py4. In this you have done the data types. Okay. This is a Python file. I even uploading what? Image also. Okay. I want to select this image also. So I'm uploading how many images now? How many files totally? 3. Click on open. So uploading here 1, 2, and 3 files. Okay. Now scroll down. You want to pass any message, pass there or leave it there. Now click on simple there what? Commit changes. will take maximum only 1 minute of time maximum. Okay, so now all the 3 files came over here. Now, first what I'll do, I'll click on sign out to make you understand this on there. So suppose Chandu has forgot his what book or file everything or laptop in the home. Now how you're opening a Gmail account? To open a Gmail account, you require your laptop only or any device is okay? Any device is okay. Similarly now, now Chandu went for interview, someone has to check his programs. So how they'll check? Normally you're writing a resume, what their email ID, phone number, contact number, all these things. But as you're preparing a resume or a programmer, you need to keep a GitHub account. So they'll type their github.com, then type there. What is the username of Chandu? Chandu Reddy 999. Okay. So for now, just I'll clear scene. First of all, I'll clear history because to make you this total understand it. Okay, now nothing is there now. So github.com/Chandu Reddy 999. Okay, like this, I'll type your name, press enter. So just here joined what 7 minutes ago. Showing the green symbol there for contributions. Okay. This is a file name. This is a what repository name. Py is what Python file. So Python file available. Okay, go back again there. So image strings.png file. PNG is the image file. Okay, one more we have comments also. Okay, so like this you're going to store your all the things over here. Okay, now suppose he wants to copy this program into someone's program. Example, I'll open mine's. Okay, example github.com. What is my username? HDPYT. Okay, now Chandu is logged in or logged out first of all? Click here. Okay, I have logged out now. Okay, now but Chandu wants to copy someone's program into his program. He doesn't have the time now. Okay, so what he'll do, he'll type my username. He'll scroll, click on repositories. Suppose he's copying here what example GitHub account. How to create a GitHub account procedure he wants to copy. Okay, so how will he copy now this thing? Whatever written over here, or suppose go back. He wants to copy this VS Code installation now. So what he'll do, he'll click on what this fork. Click on what then? Fork. Now, when you want to click on this fork, you want to copy someone's program into your program. You have to first of all be what? Logged in. So he'll type your username first of all. Chandu DD 999 or email ID. Password only I know. So after the class, I'll give him the password. If I forget password, big problem, na? Spelling no. Okay, so never. So now he wants to copy this VS Code installation in his account now. First of all, in his account, no. In his account, how many repositories are there? One. Now he went to my username. He want to copy this one there. He's clicking on what they know? Fork. See, now some people want to copy your program into your program into other accounts. So how many are having here now? 5. Means what? 5 persons have copied my program into their account. Now I'm clicking on the fork. So do you want to change the name? If he wants to change the name, he can change the name. Suppose he will keep the same thing there, or suppose he'll just keep there what? Microsoft VS Code installation. Here, right here. What a VS Code installation, so that he can understand it. Scroll down, create fork. That's it. Now this program has came into his account. Refresh once. See here. From where he copied also everything came over here. Fork the bomb, so and so username. The file name was this one. So click on this one now. So whatever I had, it came into his account there. So this is also what another way of copying someone's program to your program. So that is the reason why I told you to create two Gmail IDs. One Gmail ID means what? You'll be creating a GitHub account. You are sharing your username in the WhatsApp group. If you have done some programs, other person or your friend is going to copy the programs. But suppose you don't want to share it with anyone, you want to suppose you're doing 100 programs. You don't want other people to copy those 100 programs. So you don't want to share the username with other people. So one Gmail ID you share, one user account you share with everyone. One you can keep as what? Personal. Just you can mention in the resume there. Okay, got it? Now, suppose Chandu wants to delete this VS Code installation now, or some spelling mistake happen or something happened, but now what he wants to do, he want to delete this repository. So click on this one, click on settings, scroll down. First you change the name. Okay, suppose Chandu wants to change the name first of all. Here it is coming the repository name. Suppose he wants to keep the name as what? VS Code installation. That's it. Click on there, what? Rename. So if suppose you have done the spelling mistakes also, you can be what? Rename there. So click on this cat symbol there. Yeah, you can click on your repositories. So having the two repositories there, name got changed. But now he wants to delete this what? VS Code installation from his account. Open the repository name, click on settings, go down below, click on delete this repository. Now, if you want to delete it, you have to type the same thing up to here installation, copy it, paste it. If I keep suppose space or something, I won't be able to delete it. So exactly the same thing should be written here over here. Now I can click on what? Delete it. So now it went out, deleted there. Okay. So this is how you're going to create all your repositories. Like example, first day we have seen what? Python software installation. Then second we have seen what? First day we have seen what? Python software installation and the VS Code installation. Then 2 days we have seen the data types. Today we are seeing the what? How to create a GitHub account. Okay. So at least start from creating an account today up to next month 15th. Your total this green box. Let me suppose click on this cat symbol. Scroll down. Okay, I'll better click on this your profile. Okay, this total green should be there. Starting from September 15th to next month 15th, it should be totally green. Suppose example, I don't take class on Friday. Then Friday, I have not done means you won't be logging in, or you log in. You have to log in, at least upload one file, any file. Again, you can delete also. Yes or no? Our main aim is what? Total, like we have to show the total month I have done the course example with total box, it will be green, it will be look nice there. But if one day green, one day again not green, one day green, one day not green, your choice. At least for 1 month it should be totally what? Green. Okay, so if you type anyone's name, example, if I type one more name, Shiva, maybe there, not there. Okay, see, sometimes there, sometimes not there. Like this, if it is there, it will be a doubtful. Okay, yeah. So now once again, just to create, suppose data types is done example, one repository created. You have to upload one more there. So I'll click on this cat symbol there, click on new, give the another new name there. Suppose I'll give there what now? Python software installation. Okay, I can give here what? Python software installation. Now description you want to give, don't give, it's your choice. But select what there? Add a README file. Click on create repository. Now click on add files, upload files. Choose your files. So I'll go to py folder, day one. Suppose you are having this ideally path. Okay, video you cannot load. Okay, video will be having a big size. Audio using the free one there. Again, if you keep like around 500 MB, 200 MB file there, it will take, it won't be uploading much. Okay, so don't upload the video files, just upload the images and the Python files. So I'm uploading this file, one file. One more I want to upload. Choose your files. Let me go to demo there because we're there or there. Maybe we having photos. Okay. Suppose I want or even want to upload this text file also. Okay, both the files. Click on there, commit changes. That's it. Now click on the cat symbol there. Now both the files are uploaded over here. This you can delete all these things. Okay. Your profile. So now is having there how many repositories there? 2 repositories. So like this, you create what? One GitHub account, upload the daily files, whatever I'm giving. Then suppose I have done the Python file. Okay, you're doing the program. Some only I think one day people 1% or 2% have uploaded the screenshot. Because see, example today we have done the Python program. Okay. So open the Python program. So take a total screenshot. Okay. You're having one tool called a snipping tool. Open the snipping tool. Take the total screenshot along with what? Date and time. So that it will be a proof for person who's ever asking why should we hire you or whatever it is. Because on this date and time, I have done this Python program. I have the proof, everything. Now, some people, what they do, the same screenshot may be passed to other people also. Yes or no? Yes. Again, some may have talent, editing part if they know. That is also talent again. So now you click on your what pencil there. Write your name over there. Write your name. Example, this is write your what Chandu. Okay. Like this, I'll click on a right click here, save as. Suppose I'll first save on not desktop there. Suppose in the py4 folder. Okay, I'll just say what data types image, or just give the data types. By default, it will be what type? PNG, or images will be having 3 types: PNG, JPG, and IMG. So save it. Now let us upload this what proof over the GitHub. So in the data types, I'm going there, add a file, upload files, choose your files, this image file, open, commit changes. So PNG file came. So date, time, everything will be a proof. Like this, you have to create all the Python programs for at least 1 month. Okay, because suppose if I create a separate file for every task, it will be around more than 1,000 programs. So in one Python file, you'll be having at least suppose on average 5 programs on average. Okay, but if I separately mention one Python, suppose one program for addition, one more Python program, one more Python file for subtraction, how many will over? 6. Learning what topic only there? Arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction. So creating a 6 files is a proper thing there. Yes or no? It's not a good habit. Okay, so at least a total Python file should have the total things over there. So if you see here, we have done the day 1 and day 2 concept in the one file only there. Because it should be not be a problem for you. Data types today one part, then tomorrow one part, so upload 2 to files. You only think once. 2 to files if I upload, person what will think? Just now you'll think, suppose example, I'm running the course now. I'll think, okay, one part is done, this person wrote, I'll go write the same thing over. But again, next part again will be there again. Trust will go, or 1, 2, 2 files are there, 3 files are there, not an issue. Okay. And even suppose you want to download this file also, you can download. How? You're having your edit this file. Suppose you're logged in, you can edit also. Suppose today's what? Wednesday. Yeah. So edit this file. Suppose I'll keep here what now instead of Monday, I'll keep here Tuesday. Example. Wednesday. Yes, of course here 14. Same modification can be done. Then click out commit changes. That's it. If you want download, you can keep here. There. Here. Data types. Yeah, code there. Download the zip file. To open the zip file, I told you in a desktop, you have to install what? 7-zip. 7-zip. Okay, because you're using, some people use what applications like WinRAR and WinZip or something, which is the paid ones. This is not the paid ones. It is a free ones. No ad, nothing is going to come. Will not even ad comes to buy the purchase one, anything there. So now, if I open this one there available, right click on this one, extract all. Yeah, at this location, I want to extract them. Extract. Let's see it. So whatever the file I want to open, all the things are available over here. Okay, like this also going to do in the same in the company also. Clear? Yeah. So any doubt you're having in the creating of the GitHub account? So today, what is the first thing you'll do? Create two create two GitHub accounts. One you share with everyone, one you keep it as private. No, nothing happens. Fine means one only use. Later in the future, if you are deciding to have a personal one, you can create a personal one. Okay, that personal one is in that one you can store your what 10th class memo, inter memo, all these things over there. Because for example, someone asking to check your details or qualification there. Every time you cannot send to their Gmail account. Yes or no? So one I can even store my what images, all the ID proofs over the GitHub account. Okay. And one more thing, same thing I would like to say here about the Docker. Because mostly having the Google Drive, we're getting 15 GB of size. So then maybe you're having the personal files also, images, photos, videos, something over there. Clubbed things will be there. But separately for Python, you create one what? Docker, you create a Docker. Okay, so click on Docker home. Docker or wait. Docker account. Okay. So sign up with your Gmail account or sign up with your GitHub. So already, I think signed up now. Yeah. So click on there what? Sign up with GitHub. Yes. Authorize GPO. Accept all cookies. We'll ask for a paid ones here. Okay. Just click on the what? Back. Okay. Normally, we are going with the GitHub account is asking that. Normally, you try to sign up because sometimes you'll ask for the payment also. Okay, this part will do later there. Okay. No, don't click on Docker. Docker is for different thing because I use Docker also. Dropbox. It's not Docker. Docker is separate other thing there. Okay, it's not for you. Okay, it's what Dropbox. For personal use, sign up. Sign up with the Google account. You're able to sign up. Okay, all the usernames you can provide. It is free, no paid one, nothing there. Docker is a separate one, which is for DevOps. Okay, because we are using DevOps also, GitHub with DevOps, that is separate topic there. Okay, that is not for you, but separate thing there. So have a what? Make a note there. Have a Dropbox, create a Dropbox account. In the Dropbox, you store the Python programs day-wise. Because one in the GitHub, one in the Dropbox. See, previously, if you check 5 years ago, we had only Facebook account. But now how many accounts you're having, how many apps you're having, check once in the mobile. Upgrading yourself in the mobile. Then in the software also, not just only using Python again there, I'm telling you. Okay, Python is a programming language, but data should come, data should go, you have to send to someone, communication should be there, everything should be there. So using all this, many things are there. So mostly we say, if you learn in the course in Amirpet, only what happens, you're getting the basic things. But once you are on the project, you'll be getting a complete knowledge. But if I even tell you also, it won't go inside. Okay. So these things, at least try to have a habit of doing these new things from now. Okay, fine. So have a GitHub account, have a Dropbox account. Don't upload any video files, just what images and the Python programs. Okay, fine. So I'll stop it here. Any doubts you're having, you can ask me now.